Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, students, today we are going to start poem Childhood written by Marcus Nathan. So, before starting the poem, I would like to give you the introduction of the poem. In this poem, the poet is obsessed with loss of his childhood, and stepping into the world of adults was a gradual process. And the poem describes the growth of individuality, rationalism, and the ability to see through the world of the grown ups, means how hypocrites the grown ups are. So, these were the gradual steps that led to the loss of his childhood and his innocence. So I am reading the first stanza of the poem, then I will explain you. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? When did my childhood go? So, in this line, the poet is obsessed with the loss of his childhood. He wants to know exactly when he lost his childhood. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? The poet makes a guess that it was at the age of 11 when he started thinking like a rational human being. So, what do we understand by rational thinking? It means the belief that all behavior should be based on reason rather than emotions or religious belief. So the poet is saying that when he started having the reasoning capacity, so he's just making a guess, was that the day when he lost his childhood? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? So he realized that hell and heaven were merely imaginary concepts and they existed only in the mind. So it was the time when he started distinguishing between truth and imagination and reality and fiction. So the poet is saying in this line, was that the time you realized that the hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Now the second stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all this seemed to be? So in this stanza, the poet is able to see through the hypocrisy of the adults. As he has written in the line, was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? So he realized that the grown ups were not as good as they appeared to be. They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Here, the poet was able to gauge through the behavior of the adults that what they talk, what they preach, they don't practice on themselves. So, the poet is asking, was that the day? Now, the third stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? So, here the poet is talking about individuality. When individuality comes, there is a loss of childhood. So the poet is saying that a stage came in his life when he developed the art of individual thinking. Means to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other but my own and mine alone. Was that the day? Here the poet wants to say that a stage came in his life when he realized that his mind was not influenced or directed by the thoughts of others. So there we can say that There he developed individuality, and when he regained individuality, he ceased to be a child.